We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people consistently achieve remarkable things while others most struggle to get started. The difference, it's not about time, it's about energy. Our energy levels naturally ebb and flow. Ignoring these rhythms leads to burnout and reduced productivity. To achieve peak performance, we need to tune into our internal energy systems. In this journey to peak performance, we will explore the science behind energy management. Understanding circadian rhythms is the first step to optimizing our productivity. We'll introduce you to the 3R system: renewal cycles, recovery practices, and restoration protocols. This system enhances your energy levels consistently. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey. Let's unlock your peak performance together. Deep within our bodies lies the circadian rhythm. This internal clock influences everything from our sleep-wake cycles to cognitive function. It dictates our peak performance windows throughout the day. Ignoring these rhythms leads to fatigue and reduced productivity. Understanding our circadian rhythm provides a roadmap to optimize our daily schedule. Aligning tasks with our peak performance windows harnesses our natural energy flow. Imagine a dashboard displaying your energy levels throughout the day. By paying attention to our body's cues, we can map our energy patterns. Start by keeping a daily journal, noting your energy levels. Technology like wearable devices can provide valuable insights. This information helps fine-tune our schedules and optimize sleep. Mapping your energy flow is an ongoing journey of self-discovery. Aligning with our energy flow begins with strategic scheduling. Leverage peak performance windows for demanding tasks. Establish a consistent sleep-wake cycle. Incorporate regular movement and exercise. Organizations that embrace energy management see increased productivity. Creating a culture of energy optimization unlocks collective performance. Introducing the 3R system, a holistic approach to energy management. The first R, renewal cycles, optimizes short-term energy. Recovery practices are daily rituals for replenishing energy. Restoration protocols are long-term strategies for deep energy restoration. Embrace the 3R system to achieve sustainable high performance. Master your energy, not just your time. Renewal cycles, the power of micro breaks. Interspersing focused work with short breaks avoids burnout. The 52-17 rule: 52 minutes of work, 17-minute break. Disconnect from work-related tasks during breaks. Research shows regular breaks increase productivity. Integrate renewal cycles to maintain focus and energy. Recovery practices, daily rituals for sustainable energy. Strategic breaks promote physical and mental relaxation. Regular exercise reduces stress and boosts cognitive function. Mindfulness practices manage stress and improve focus. Incorporate these practices to counteract stress. Taking care of your health is an investment in productivity. Restoration protocols, recharging your batteries. Prioritize quality sleep for deep energy restoration. Engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Set boundaries to protect your energy. Restoration is essential for long-term productivity. Create a sustainable foundation for peak performance. The Energy Optimization Toolkit. Tools like the Oura Ring track sleep patterns and energy levels. Apps offer guided breathing exercises to reduce stress. Find tools that resonate with you and integrate them into your routine. Start with a few tools and gradually incorporate them. Optimize your energy levels with the right resources. Section 2. Data-driven energy management. Data-driven insights provide a comprehensive understanding of our energy patterns, track sleep, activity, stress, and mood to identify trends and optimize routines. Wearable devices collect and analyze physiological data. They track steps, calories, heart rate, and sleep patterns. Monitor these metrics to adjust routines and improve energy management. Apps offer personalized energy tracking and analysis. Combine wearable data with self-reported information for a holistic view. Identify energy trends to optimize productivity. Data is valuable when used to make informed decisions. Use tracking tools to support your energy management goals. Section 3. Real-world transformations. Energy management principles lead to real-world transformations for individuals and organizations. Benefits include increased productivity, reduced stress, and enhanced well-being. A sales team improved performance by aligning work with natural energy rhythms. Employees felt more energized and focused, leading to better client interactions. Another executive overcame burnout by prioritizing energy management. These stories highlight the transformative power of energy management. Your energy management blueprint. You understand the science, you've seen the tools. Now let's create a personalized energy management system. It's like building a house. We need a blueprint before laying bricks. This ensures a strong, customized structure. Your energy management blueprint will be unique to you. It reflects your rhythms, work style, and goals. This isn't about rigid rules. It's about understanding your energy flow and making conscious choices. Imagine a musician fine-tuning their instrument. They adjust and experiment until they achieve perfect harmony. Similarly, your energy management system will evolve. You'll learn what works best through observation and fine-tuning. This blueprint is your guide to sustainable high performance. It's about working with your body, not against it. Imagine a sailboat harnessing the wind. Instead of battling against the current, you're using natural forces to propel yourself forward. This is the power of aligning with your energy. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small wins. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll be amazed by the transformative impact on your productivity, well-being, and overall life satisfaction. Now let's start building your personalized energy management system. Section 2, Building Momentum, a 3-day quick start. This 3-day quick start is your launch pad. It's about taking action and building momentum. Think of it as a test drive. Day 1, assessment. Map your energy levels. Identify peaks and dips. Day 2, implementation. Start with an energy boosting activity. Structure your day around peak times. Day 3, optimization. Review and adjust. Personalize your approach. Continue refining your system. Let's pause and experience the power of energy management firsthand. Feeling an afternoon slump? Try this 2-minute energy reset. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold for 4 and exhale slowly. Repeat 4 times. Stand up, do shoulder rolls and stretch. Feel grounded and energized. Use this reset anytime, anywhere. Incorporate it into your routine for lasting benefits. Track your progress and celebrate successes on your energy management journey. Like a scientist, your observations provide valuable insights. Keep a simple energy journal. Note your energy levels and activities daily. Track breaks, exercise, and mindfulness. Identify patterns and correlations. Note how you feel. Increased focus, productivity, and better sleep. Feeling more balanced and energized. Subjective observations are valuable. Your journey is unique. No right or wrong way. Be consistent, observant, and flexible. Celebrate your successes, acknowledge positive changes. Each step forward unlocks your potential. And we've journeyed through the science of energy, explored practical frameworks, and discovered powerful tools. The key takeaway: energy management isn't about pushing harder, it's about working smarter, it's about aligning with your natural rhythms to unlock sustainable, high performance. Think back to the athlete ignoring their coach's advice. They might achieve short-term wins but risk long-term burnout. Now imagine that athlete embracing energy management. They train strategically, fuel their body wisely, and prioritize recovery. The result? Sustainable peak performance and a greater likelihood of reaching their full potential. That's the power we've unlocked together. Remember the 3R system: renewal cycles, recovery practices, and restoration protocols. These aren't just buzzwords, they're your roadmap to sustainable energy. Incorporate them into your daily life. Experiment, find what works best for you. Just like building a muscle, energy management requires consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up each day feeling energized and focused, ready to tackle your most important tasks. Picture yourself navigating challenges with clarity and resilience, maintaining high performance even during demanding times. This is the power of energy mastery. It's within your reach. This isn't the end. It's just the beginning. You are now equipped with the knowledge and tools to revolutionize your relationship with energy. It's time to put these insights into action and experience the transformative benefits firsthand. Start by implementing one small change today. Perhaps it's incorporating a 5-minute renewal cycle into your workday, or prioritizing 7 hours of sleep tonight. Small changes consistently applied lead to remarkable results. Share what you've learned with others. Help your friends, family, and colleagues discover the power of energy management. Together we can create a ripple effect of positive change, transforming the way we work, live, and thrive. The journey to energy mastery is ongoing. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But remember, you're not alone. We're in this together. Join us next time as we delve into flow state engineering, exploring techniques to access peak states of focus and productivity on demand. Until then, embrace the power of energy management and unlock your extraordinary potential.